and welcome. It's us. Hi. And it's our first coffee with our wine or kombucha with K&K of the year.
We're actually both drinking kombucha.
So it's our new thing, kombucha with K&K. But don't worry, we didn't stop the wine.
Or the coffee.
Right now, I'm ready to love you.
So we went on Instagram and we asked you girls to ask us.
We asked you to ask us anything. It's a new year. Anything's possible, and we are here to chat with you.
Yeah.
All right, go.
First question we are going to do is, what does love your body mean to us?
It means so much more than just the physical part, which everything that our bodies do for us and mentally. And I think that's why we just love the Love Your Body series, because we really get to recognize everything that our bodies do for us.
Yeah, and we just want you every single day throughout this entire series, just take a moment and acknowledge everything that you're capable of and everything that you've done and everything that you can strive to do. So
love your body, spoil it, spoil you, spoil your mind.
You're really good about that. You took a bubble bath last night.
I did. I know. I said every day I want to do just one little thing that really loves my body. That makes me feel good. Like, I don't care if it's getting a manicure or a face mask, a bubble bath, taking a few minutes to read a book, just something that makes me happy. So it's not always just go, go, go.
Yeah. I feel like I appreciate my body so much more in such a different way, just being a mom now and seeing that, and now appreciating the woman's body. I also have
Mom
belly
brain, belly
I
brain.
can't even form sentences right now. It's actually hysterical because I'm not sleeping at all. But yeah, I think I have a completely different perspective than I ever have, and I think women are just remarkable. And this whole Love Your Body series, we're going to be giving you so many messages every single day about why you should love exactly who you are and exactly where you are.
What's the best advice you would give a girl who's just starting out in her fitness journey? I would say no judgment in what you can do, because you'll get there. Just that first step is all you need, and allow yourself to just be and soak it in and experience it.
Yeah, I feel like I'm at the start of my journey now, because everything that I achieved before is great, but now I feel like I started over with my body, and I went to my first yoga class postnatal, and I could hardly do anything. And I was gentle, I was delicate with my mind too, and I was patient, and I was thinking, I can't even do a chaturanga right now. And I couldn't even hold a warrior two pose, which is like kind of like a lunge, and I was like shaking. But whether you're the start of a new journey, you took a break, or you're a new mom like me, or anything, it's just exactly what Karina said, just loving yourself and being patient and knowing that there is someone out there exactly where you are and they believe in you. And you should believe in you too.
What's your advice on how to set goals?
I love that.
Yeah, well, I would say I'm a list person. So beginning of the year, or actually before the beginning of the year, I have different columns in the back of my calendar. I have my short term, my middle, and then my long term. So I keep 3 different lists, and something that I'm accomplishing this month, and then 6 months, and something I want to achieve over the entire year. And I keep it at the back of my journal or my calendar, because that's something I carry with me every day.
This is how I do it. Oh, I have to grab my purse. I need this. This is in my purse, and I bring it everywhere with me. I've left it, remember when I left it like in a hotel somewhere?
Yeah.
And I was like, my food journal, if they find it, they're gonna think I'm crazy. Because it's like, you know, food, goals, workouts, all of it, feelings, goal setting for the next day, goal setting for a full 8 weeks. And I'm obviously doing this for Love Your Body, and right here, it's goal setting for the whole time. And then for the week, drink more water. I feel like I've just been really dehydrated, so that was my goal for this week. Yeah, meal prep, because I feel like I haven't been really dedicating enough to that. So, and
What about beauty rest?
Yeah.
Bellow rest.
yeah, Bella rest a little. Hopefully, just more sleep. And I've never been a napper, so I'm gonna try to see how I feel about like little naps.
Yeah.
So.
You know what else I've been doing? New for this year. I'm actually making my resolutions for a portion of them with Bobby, my husband.
Ooh.
So we have our own separate resolutions, and then together we've sat down and made resolutions that we want to achieve together.
I love that. Brian, if you're watching, I don't know if he was going to be watching this, I'm going to do that with you too. So yeah, I think it's really important just to set goals that are short-term, like she's saying, and then long-term. And then of course, someone that can hold you accountable and connecting with the community. I think when you share your goal and you say it out loud or you write it down and it's in writing, in your own writing, it's a promise to yourself. We always say the promise that you make yourself is the most important.
All right, question is, what are your morning affirmations? So what do you say to yourself in the morning to get that gusto up?
I feel like we've shared this before, but I usually choose 3 words for the day. I try to do this every day, of course. Some days I forget, but when I'm in the shower, I think of 1 word that I need for myself and 2 that I feel like everyone around me needs. So maybe for me, it might be confidence, and then I'm gonna be confident in all that I do today. And then 2 words that I feel like everyone needs around me that will then, whatever you give, you receive too. So love and acknowledgement are usually ones that I choose, but it's nice if you can remember, like in the shower, okay, I'm gonna think of my 3 words.
Yeah. I think my affirmations are different every day depending on how I wake up and how I'm feeling. It's definitely, I think of a word that I bring into my meditations and whatever I need that day. Usually like, I am strong, I am alive, I am grateful. I do gratitude every single day. Even before I get into my meditation, I'll like walk out into the balcony and like breathe in the fresh air, look at the palm trees around and say I am grateful, and then mentally go through everything I'm grateful for.
I love that. Gratitude is very important to practice all day, every day. It's good. How do we motivate ourselves to work out in the winter months?
Love Your Body series.
I was gonna say, I need you. Yeah,
it is tough,
everything.
But, you know, you realize that everybody's probably going through the same thing, so it's that accountability to help with the motivation. It's cold out, and we're in California, so we're definitely being some little wimps here.
I was wearing sweater Uggs the other day, and I was like, the Boston girl in me is so ashamed because it's literally like 45. But
I know. I was on the phone with my stepmom Beth, and I was like, "Oh, it's so cold this morning. I can't go outside." And she's like, "What temperature is it?" Because she's in Indiana, and I was like, "Let me look it up." I was like, 68. I was like, never mind, I'm sorry.
That's bad.
Yeah. But it's really just accountability and doing your love.
We're no help right now.
I know. Yeah, girls, come on.
No,
Be
we've both
realistic.
been in the cold. We grew up in the cold.
Yeah.
I would say tone it up workouts inside are a lifesaver. We both have gyms like set up in our house.
Yeah,
So
a
if you
home
can
gym,
just-
because then you don't even have to go outside.
Yeah, so just choose a corner in your house.
Go to
and
studio, tone it up.
Yeah, and put out weights. You can like set up a little home gym anywhere in the corner of your living room and have weights, a band, I was gonna say dumbbells and weights, a mirror if you need, or if there's a TV that you can do Apple TV and link up your studio, tone it up. But yeah, just getting moving and then feeling accountability, I think, is the big thing too. If you're gonna work out in your house, accountability, and that's what you get with studio, tone it up.
Yeah, and once you start working out, you warm up.
Yeah.
You're good. All right, when do you know it's time to give your body a rest day, even if you had a workout scheduled in your calendar? Listen to that body, girl. Love it.
I feel like days where my legs and my booty are so sore, I'm like, oh, I'm so sorry, I need a rest day. But then if I haven't been working out that consistently, I can probably do an arm workout. And I'm like, oh wait, I can do arms today. So just, yeah, listen to your body, feel your body. If you're tight and you're not so sore, you could do a yoga routine.
Or foam rolling. I always get down on the foam roller if I'm really sore. And then maybe a walk, because sometimes it feels good to just like move the muscles a little bit and then foam roll it out, stretch it out.
A walk will feel really, really good. Or like elliptical if you belong to a gym. So something like that. Or but if you need a rest day, then take a rest. Yeah.
We're like, or go on the elliptical. Or
It's like how to know if you need a rest.
Yeah.
Because most of the time where I'm like, I need a rest day, I'm like, I probably don't. Like I could do something. I could go for a 2-mile walk to get coffee, you know? So, but yeah, if you want to treat yourself to a massage or just take it easy, then just do that.
All right, tips to having more energy!
I get my energy from this one. Coffee.
Well, coffee, yes. Sleep, enough sleep. I mean, what a difference if you get, just if you know that. I mean, then I don't know how you have energy as a new mom, too.
I haven't slept for more than 3 consecutive hours since October 14th.
So how do you get your energy? Because whenever I see you have energy, you're not yawning.
I'm not yawning.
No.
It's weird.
There's
a superpower in moms that comes in, because if I even had like 6 hours of sleep before Bella, I was like, wow, I'm tired. I would get like pukey feeling. Like I was like, I need more sleep. Now I'm fine during the day. I'm obviously tired at night, but and I have my tired moments. But yeah, I think healthy food, eating from the nutrition plan, I think is my number one. If I am eating healthy on the nutrition plan, I have more energy. Water, when I'm dehydrated, I could feel like a little bit of a headache, but yeah, water, nutrition.
Sleep, food, hydration, coffee.
Yeah, and a friend that has energy.
Yeah.
Like we feed off each other's energy a lot.
Get down and do some burpees.
Yeah. Oh yeah, exercise. Exercise gives you energy too.
Yeah.
Basically, tone it up gives you energy.
How do you find the time to make time for yourself? Just do it. It's hard.
That's hard. I think I actually have to ask for support for that now. So I have to be like, hey Brian, can you watch Bella? I want to go work out. Or taking time for any like a bubble bath or anything. Like just having support around you that you can actually take time for yourself.
Yeah, and I've learned to say no to a lot of things in order to make time for yourself and things that you know that you need. Like I need to say no for myself right now.
Yeah.
I just learned what I need.
Yeah, and supportive friends to know when you need to do something for yourself. And that's actually a really good gift for a girlfriend or a new mom. So everyone brings over like little onesies and everything, but maybe getting her a massage and saying, this gift card to get a massage comes with babysitting. So I'll watch your baby, go take care of yourself.
What's your favorite type of cardio?
Just kidding.
Oh, I was like, I don't get it. Wink?
Oh, I winked with
Brian,
this eye. You're gonna say.
Coming for ya. Baby number 2.
Oh my God. Remember I said I was pregnant because I felt pukey? Can you get like any of you, have you gotten pregnant like right after you had a baby?
Like first time.
Like, oh my God. Favorite type of cardio? I'd say like a long walk, and now obviously pushing Bella in a stroller. Still not used to it. Like I'm just like, hello.
Mine is burpees.
No, lies.
I would say mine is a long walk too.
It should be like meditations while you're walking.
Yeah.
Wait, you've done
walking
meditation.
Walking meditation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Have you done that yet?
I think so.
You have?
I know I personally have.
I know.
I think I filmed one.
Well, I called you once. You're like, I'm in the middle of a meditation. I'm like, but we're meeting for a walk. And you're like, I know, I'm walking and meditating. And I'm like, don't run into anything.
A walking meditation. I can film one of those.
So we're walkers.
And studio, tone it up.
If I need a really like an ass kicking, like a really good, do I have fuzz on me? A good fat burning workout, like I'll do like a workout with China.
I was just gonna say China.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do we love most about each other?
That can always love and always be there for one another.
Yeah.
I mean, it's simple. It's friendship that has no boundaries. Well,
You set some boundaries. When I travel with her, she doesn't let me sleep in bed with her anymore. I mean, I've shown up at her door and been like, I'm staying in your room with you. My hotel room is scary. Let me in. And you're like, no. And I'm like, I brought wine. You're like, fine. But yeah. Yeah, always knowing that we're always there for each other. It's a sisterhood. It's like, it's just that forever love.
It's special.
Yeah.
Oh, we haven't done that in a while.